In today's video, I will be showing you how to change or update your security questions and answers in Windows 10. So when you set up your local user account on your Windows 10 PC or laptop, you would have been asked to create a username, a password, and then some security questions and answers. So if you need to update these or change the answers because you have forgotten what they are, or you simply just want to change up the questions to keep your PC more secure, then this is something that you can do quite easily. So the first thing you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click on the Start menu icon. You now need to go onto Settings, and you now need to click onto Accounts. You now need to click on Sign In options on the left, and then click on Password. And where it says Update your security questions, you just need to click on here. You will now have a window pop up just to verify it's your account, so just type in your login password for your Windows account. And once you've typed in your password and pressed OK, you will now be able to update your security questions. So you can simply click on the drop down, choose one of these options here. So for example, what was your childhood nickname? Type in your answer. And once you're happy with your new security questions and answers, just simply press on Finish. So if you now go to log into your local user account in Windows in the future and you've forgotten your password, you will then be able to recover your password and get back into your account using these security questions. But that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial did help you. If it did, hit that like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.